Hello guys, today I want to show you how to edit Robots.txt file in WordPress with Yoast SEO plugin. So Yoast SEO plugin is a famous plugin WordPress dedicated for SEO and ranking in Google. So first look into the WordPress dashboard here, and then install Yoast SEO plugins. So go to plugins and hit add plugin, and here just install Yoast SEO and activate. After that, click on Yoast SEO, click on Tools, and select File Editor. Here, you will get Robots.txt file. So, here I don't have Robots.txt file, so I'll create Robots.txt file. It's the code for Robots.txt file for default. So click Save Changes to Robots.txt file, and that's it, guys. WordPress has automatically created Robots.txt file for me. If you don't have Robots.txt file as default, WordPress will create one for you. And then you can also just edit the code here as you want. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.